Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 4, وَالَّذِينَ يَرْمُونَ الْمُحْسَنَاتِ ثُمَّ لَمْ يَأْتُوا بِأَرْبَعَةِ شُهَدَاءَ فَاجْلِدُوهُمْ 80 جَلْدَةً. If anyone lays an allegation against the modesty of a woman, produce 4 witnesses, otherwise 80 lashes. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that if to produce 4 witnesses, if someone lays an allegation against the modesty of a woman, and if he cannot produce 4 witnesses, then 80 lashes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 6, that if someone lays an allegation against the wife or the spouse, and if he does not have any witnesses, then he should take the oath by the name of Allah 4 times, and the 5th time pronounce a curse on himself if he is lying. Further, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 8, that if anyone lays an allegation against the husband or the spouse, and if the wife does not have witnesses, then she should take the oath by the name of Allah 4 times, and the 5th time pronounce a curse on herself if she is lying.